So how to use a trading bot and AI to trade Bitcoin. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I set up a trading bot to trade Bitcoin using PaperTrading and AI to assist me. Now what I'm about to show you, I think it's going to blow your socks off. Let me show you how AI helped me set up a trading robot with PaperTrading. So what I want to do in this video is set up a trading bot that's going to trade Bitcoin on Binance. Now, before I get started, I've got $600 that I can trade with. So I'm going to go over to the virtual trading, which is for paper trading. From here, I'm choosing Bitcoin and I'm going to be trading it with Tether. And I'm going to do 200 a lot because I'm going to set my bot up for 3 lots in total. I'm going to put the maximum days here. Now, what I want to do is first off run the default settings and run the simulation. So what I want to do is document this. So I've got my lot size of 200. So I've put that in there, the amount. Then I've got my take profits trigger at 0.8. Then I've got my kept profit strategies, which is all the lots. So I put there all lots, and then it's showing me the profit is 25.83. And then I've got retracement on. So now I'm going to just turn this retracement off. So everything else stays the same. I'll run that. So this is giving me 25.65. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this kept profit strategy to the last. So we'll see what this does. So we'll leave this retracement off and I'm going to put this one in here now. Kept profits to sell the most recent lot. And run that simulation. That gives me 25.57. Now I'm going to do the same run, but this time I'm going to switch this back on and run that simulation. 24.95. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run again the 4 ones. This time we're going to increase the profit. So here I'm going to change this to 1.5. This is on and I'm going to go to the top one to start with and see what this does. 24.02. Now I'm going to switch that retracement off, which is that one, and run the simulation again. 27.68. So that was all on, all lots. And now I'm going to put last lot. That'll do. Same with that again. So now I'm going to come back over to here and we're going to switch this to there. We're going to put this on first and we're going to run the simulation. 27.22. And now what we're going to do, 27.68. So now I'm going to do the last lot at 1.5. So we'll put this on first and we're going to change it to this setting now. We're going to run that, 27.22. Now we're going to run the retracement off and run that again, 27.77, 27.77. So I could see actually that this is the winner. So I'm going to set my bot up with 1.5%. And I'm going to put it on the last lot. So let's do that now. So I come over to JonnyBlockchain. Oh, and let's just check how many lots that used. So that used lot 0, lot 1, and lot 2. So that's 3 lots. So that's my $600. So I come into up the top here and I go to bots and I click on create a new bot, Bitcoin with Tether. I'm putting it on expert mode and I only want to leave 3 lots. So it says this lot 0, lot 1 and lot 2. So the rest of the lots I'm just getting rid of. Now if the Bitcoin market drops further than this, I can always come in and add another lot and add more funds. But I want to keep it with this 600. Now this kept profits, I'm just going to put this to 5% over here and this to 5. And we're going to put it on infinite. Going to put 200 in there. We're going to put this to 1.5. And we're going to put the retracement off. Because you remember here we got the retracement off, which give me that 27.77. So first off, I'm just going to save this, and I'm not going to activate it at the moment. So I'm going to click save. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use ChatGPT. So basically, what I'm asking this chat is, what was the price movement in percentage terms for Bitcoin over the last 14 days? Let the robot do its thing. So it's telling me that there was a price drop of around about approximately 8.5%. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask it what it was over the last 30 days. So as you can see, over 30 days, it was 7.1%. And over the 7 days, it's been 8.5%. So now what I'm going to ask the chat is I want to use Jonny Blockchain to trade Bitcoin. I have $600 to trade with. I've set the take profit trigger to 1.5%. I want to divide the $600 into 3 lots. The first lot will buy into the Bitcoin market now. And the key question I'm asking here, what should I set the price drop for the remaining 2 lots to maximize profit potential? Let's hit the enter key and see what the bot comes back with. So it's telling me to do the second lot, which will be lot 1, because it doesn't know we call this lot 1 0. So this one it's saying do a 2.5% drop, and then this one it's doing a 5.5% drop. So let's go into my robot. So this is saying it wants to be 2.5, and then this other one it's telling me to do 5, but buy at 5.5. So here we're going to do minus 5.5. Now what I want to make sure is I've got it on here, use the kept profits to sell the most recent lot. So I put that on there, make sure I've got that. And then what I do is come up to the top and click save. Now my bot at the moment is not switched on. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch this bot live and let the Jonny Blockchain do its thing. Now what I'll do is I'll make other videos to show you the progress of this trading bot. Jonny Blockchain is a smart crypto trading platform that gives you access to AI-powered bots, including a SpotBot and a grid bot that can trade for you automatically. You don't need any coding or technical skills. Your funds stay in your own exchange or wallet. Jonny Blockchain never holds your money. You can trade 24/7 without staring at charts all day. Setting up is simple. Just head over to JonnyBlockchain.com to create a free account. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned trader, Jonny Blockchain gives you the edge to participate in crypto without the stress. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you learned something, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto content. Want a deep dive into another crypto topic? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay informed, stay ready, and stay tuned, and happy trading.